This is a Unity project. It's a virtual piano. In order to play this piano, you need to move your real hands and use the LeapMotion that tracks the hands. And as you see, the hands that I'm moving here, this is my real hands. And well, basically, as you see, the little balls that fall on the keyboard. The color of the keyboard changes, and then the keys change. Then you have to play the note. When you miss, it gives you a sound to tell you that you made a mistake. And when you get the proper notes, you get the thing. And when you get seven notes, you win. Let's see another demo where you can see the hand moving. So now that we've seen all this, I would like to show you one last thing. The implementation has been done also that you can use the cursor. So not all the teammates had LeapMotion. So here you see whatever is moving is the cursor. It's a little ball that is projected in front of the screen to a certain distance. I added this in order to be able to work together because working in a team is important. But it's very hard with Unity. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video.